forgot to change the memory card. We just got fuel though, so I'm gonna have to take the next exit. But we are in Grand Forks, and fuel filled up for less than $40 again. I love that. And they actually had windshield washer fluid in their little squeegee thing, so I cleaned the windows. But I was trying to figure out how I want to get over to the road, and I might just go to Highway 11. It's exit 187. It's farther north than I thought, but I think it's the easiest way. So I will not go through Thief River Falls potentially. I don't know, we'll see. I'm gonna take this next exit and we'll figure it out. I only have like not very long left on this memory card. It is 11:52 a.m. now. 13 degrees, Friday before Thanksgiving. So I had to get some coffee since it was so cold getting fuel. Oh wow, University of North Dakota is here. Did not know that. Ugh. Wow, the coffee is really good. They actually have beans that they grind when you get your coffee in the machine. Yeah, I have 7 minutes left of memory card. We might go through Thief River Falls. I want to see the place in case we ever work at that electronics warehouse, like, and live in the camp in the trailer. They employ RVers in the summer. And this, I wonder if this is my exit for that. If it is, that works out well. We're gonna stop right here though. Oh, this is a nice service center. They got pizza, it looks like. They sure do. Alright, we're gonna pull over here. Okay, I will be back. All right, we
Proceed 14 miles on Demers Avenue.
Leaving Grand Forks, and we're gonna head toward Thief River Falls. I decided we're getting off the interstate, going east into Minnesota. And I'm glad I got that hot coffee at the gas station. Something happened. The camera turned off, and then I turned it on. Had to repair file, so I don't know what it got and what it didn't get back there. But we are headed toward Thief River Falls from Grand Forks. Wow, the car behind me went through a red. Jeez. I went through the yellow, and it was way behind me. But I think, actually I'm not sure what road we're on. We're on Dimmers Avenue, but I'm not sure what highway we're gonna take. I'm excited. It's really nice to get off the freeway, the interstate. So this is the University of North Dakota, I believe, up here. Seems like a nice campus, nice area. It's just really cold. Yeah, it's a nice place. University of North Dakota. Burger time. That looks good. It's a drive-through place. Holy. So we're on Highway 297 right now. So Thief River Falls is 1 hour away. 54 miles. I kind of like North Dakota, I think. I always had a bad rap because it was so cold, and you think of it as being the sticks, but the towns seem really nice. The people are friendly. Like I said, it's just really cold here in the winter. And, you know, you pretty much stay inside for, what, November, December, January, February, March? Probably 5 months of the year. So you better have a PS5. It's a good excuse to live here. But it is up to 15 degrees now. And I think it's cloudy the rest of the day. So I shouldn't have to wear my glasses, my sunglasses. This town is bigger than I thought. Wow. I think this is the town that floods when the river ice melts in the spring. They get really bad floods. And it floods their downtown sometimes, I think. Kind of neat to see. I think we're going to go over the river, actually. I want to say it's the Red River. It flows north into Canada, if you could believe it. And ultimately, I wonder, it goes to the Great Lakes, I guess. This is a neat town. I like it. I like it. I like it better than Bismarck, probably. Bismarck is just in the middle of nowhere. If you lived here, you can go to Minnesota and Canada. And the town, it just looks pretty neat. A lot of construction going on, too. So we are going to go through downtown. That's awesome. Wow. We might make this a Grand Forks. Actually, we will. This will be a Grand Forks video from when we got gas. Yeah, this is neat. So a lot of these must be university apartments, basically. Like they build them for the students. They look really new and nice. Something called Bonzer's Sandwich Pub. That looks really neat. The Empire Theater, they have concerts and stuff. It's an arts center. Looks historic. Oh wow, this is neat. Yeah, This is really neat. So this is the area that flooded a few years back, and their building that the newspaper was in burned down. I remember that. Yeah, this would be a fun place to walk around. Grand Forks, and we are in Minnesota on the other side of this river. I did not realize that. Wow, this is neat. Welcome to Minnesota. First time on my channel. So I wonder what town is on the other side. Is it still Grand Forks? They have a Cabela's here. Oh my gosh. This town is way cool. Any town with a Cabela's is alright with me. And I'm not sure if it's an outpost. Oh, it might be. No, I think it's a regular Cabela's. It is big. Wow. That is neat. Yeah, I like Grand Forks. It would be having troubles again with the camera turning off and then repairing the file. So I took the memory card out and kind of wiped the prongs, thinking maybe there's dust on it or something. And hopefully it won't stop. But we are in Grand Forks on the Minnesota side. It is Grand Forks. It's called East Grand Forks. Wow. I really like this town. It just looks nice. I never thought I would like it that much. I like how it's so close to Canada and basically Minnesota. It's a really big town when you factor in the Minnesota side and the North Dakota side. Alright, camera turned off again. I'm wondering, there's something wrong with the battery? Or it was dead. So I take the battery out. That's what I did last time. And then it was fine, so I might have to swap batteries. I don't need a battery in when I'm filming, but if anything were to happen to the car power and I don't have a battery, I risk losing some of the video, so we'll have to stop again and put a new battery in. But we are in East Grand Forks, Minnesota. And it is 12:11 p.m. now. We're up to 15 degrees. Oh, this is gonna be beautiful. I'm in Winter Wonderland, the land of Hallmark movies. That and this, like when you watch the Christmas Hallmark movies, I think of New York, upstate New York, and upper Minnesota, you know, with all the resort log cabins they stay at and the snow. Alright, I'm not sure if my all-wheel drive is on. Oh, it was. I do like rural Minnesota. There's something about it, like as far as its nature, you know. And you gotta be tough to live in rural Minnesota. But I need to end this. Actually, yeah, I'm gonna end this video. That was Grand Forks.